Most people get this wrong when their rewarded play points don't show up. They assume the app is broken, or the reward is gone forever. But here's the truth no one tells you. In most cases, the points are delayed, mistracked, or blocked by small setup issues you can actually fix. Quick promise. In this video, you'll learn why rewarded play is not crediting points in 2026, the exact reasons it happens, and step-by-step fixes to get your missing rewards back or prevent it from happening again. Let's start right away. The first and most common issue is tracking delay. Rewarded play needs time to register your gameplay. So if you just installed a game and stopped early, points might not appear immediately. For users like Jake, this feels like nothing is working, but in reality, the system is still sensing your activity. Now here's the second issue. Game requirements not fully completed. Some games only credit points after you reach a specific level or complete a milestone. If you stop halfway, the app may not register any reward at all. That's where most people fail. They think just opening the game is enough, but it's not. Let's move to a bigger problem. Background restrictions. On some phones, battery optimization or background data limits can block tracking. So even if you are playing correctly, the app cannot record your progress. This is a silent issue many users like Alex don't notice until points go missing. Now here's where it gets interesting. Network interruptions can also break tracking. If your internet switches between Wi-Fi and mobile data during gameplay, the session may not sync properly with rewarded play servers. So, how do you fix it? First, always complete the full requirement of each game before expecting points. Second, avoid switching apps while playing. Third, keep your internet stable throughout the session. And fourth, disable battery optimization for rewarded play so it can track activity properly in the background. In a minute, I'll show you the simplest habit that prevents 90% of missing point issues. It's consistency in how you play. Always finish one session fully before moving to another game, instead of jumping between multiple games quickly. Another important fix is patience. Some rewards are not instant. They can take hours or even a full day to reflect depending on server load. So checking too frequently can make it feel like nothing is happening even when the system is processing your points. If none of these work, the final step is restarting the app and ensuring it is updated to the latest version. Outdated versions often have tracking bugs that get fixed in updates. So to wrap it up, rewarded play not crediting points in 2026 is usually caused by incomplete game requirements, tracking delays, device restrictions, or unstable internet. Most issues are fixable without losing your rewards. If you follow these steps correctly, you significantly reduce the chance of missing points again. Thanks for watching. If this helped you fix your issue, hit like, comment what problem you faced, and subscribe for more clear troubleshooting guides.